What's up, y'all? Thanks for coming by. Happy that you're here, and I hope you're half as happy to be here as I am to have you. Anyways, the idea that I want to talk about today is the fact that psychology and the other social sciences don't have a paradigm. We need a paradigm. And obviously, a paradigm is like a generalized system of understanding that people can base their problems on, base their work on. Psychology, doesn't have a paradigm. And if you look at the situation right now, there have been Kuhn talks about revolutions and paradigms, but basically he says there's the anomaly, and the anomaly was all the things not replicating. Okay, yeah. Then at first they're ignored, yeah. Then the crisis comes. Now we're arguing about methods and how why these things are happening and all this kind of stuff. That's happening now. Then he says the next state is to develop a paradigm. Take a step back, organize what you know, look at what you know, organize it, and come up with a new paradigm that can, integrate all of the findings that exist. And I think that that's the next stage, and I think over the next 5 or 10 years, you're going to see that work emerge. Of course, I'm working on something about minds and meaning, this kind of dichotomy between, minds, things that are alive, and minds have meaning. Of course, they also have goals, and they use the meaning to achieve the goals. Anyways, so we're going to have to get into that into a later video. But basically, economics has a paradigm. Sociology does not. Economics, it has a paradigm, but it's not. Also in a crisis state. Homo economicus, of course, does not actually work. But each of these has their own system, and within the systems, we have like 10 different ideas of self-esteem, and it just doesn't make sense. We call it by 10 names. So by organizing what we know into a more generalizable and applicable paradigm or theory, I think we're going to answer a lot of the problems that have bothered us for the last 50 years and put forward new ideas, new directions, and new goals. And hopefully this is going to be a new era of psychology. We have 200 years now in the books, and I think we made good progress, but I think there's now we can be taken more seriously as a science. Now we can have more impact on society, and I think that would be a very good thing. Hey, thanks for coming by. Happy. Come by tomorrow, hopefully, for another one, and see you all.